Can you imagine? Something's wrong. 2 times Fang Zhong. Burr marks. Let's see, will it turn on? I bet you this is turning on. It's indestructible. It's actually incredible. I mean, bit my right. I am the LEDs. We are going to do all screens. Some salvage speakers. You can't have enough speakers, right? A speaker collection phone. A fat speaker. The vibration motor. It's a big V8. Scrap cables. Some wood. A shell we don't need anymore. Solder it together. And we are done to start. I think it works. Okay, so will this works? The speaker. This one better. It's playing music. It's playing music. Load. Wow. Oh, I think we are ready to launch our home cinema. Flips! Whee! Don't mess up the cable. Flex. Nah. Nah. This is not going to explode. Shorts. I'm so excited. Boom. Oh. Yes, music. Okay, let it begin. I'm just a Lux. I'm a little bit sick, by the way. Sorry about my voice. Half of it we ruined. What can we use? Why? Things I'm going to do that are not kosher. Please don't try this at home. Do it somewhere else. This is real dodgy. What a mess. Great success. It's like a high school project. This is so dodgy. Whoopsie. Oop. What I do? Whoops. Can you imagine? Something's wrong. Mm-hmm. No? Huh? Yep. Woohoo! Woo!
Psychedelic scrap.
Whoopsie. 2 years ago, I was working as a technician. One of the best repair shops in Belgium. Got even famous customers. People worked on TV, influencers, soccer players. 2 years later,